Hey, I want to tell you guys about my Dirt Devil Power Stick Light Vacuum. The reason why I got this vacuum is because it is able to work on hardwood floors and carpet. You can transfer very easy from hardwood to carpet. And I don't have a lot of carpet here, but I do have a lot of rugs in my house. So that's one reason why that attracted me to this vacuum. I done had this vacuum for about a year now. It works fine. It isn't loud. It's very lightweight. You can just pick it up and go. It has two different sections. You can detach this whole section right here. You pull the stick out, you can detach this whole section, and you can get into smaller areas and clean smaller areas. Like, or you got something in between your cushions or your couch, you can just detach this part and just go to town right there. It's very smooth across the floors and across the carpet. So I love this little vacuum. It's very lightweight. It doesn't weigh that much at all. And when you get it, you have to put it together. It's only two pieces that you have to put together. You put the arm, the bar in at the top, and you connect this to this part at the bottom, and that's it.